Bakit naisipan niyo isama si Secretary Dela?
She's been announcing na on the basis of her opinion that Peña is still the acting mayor. How can the Secretary of the Department of Justice overturn the decision of the Court of Appeals? She has no authority to do that. If the DILG wanted to clarify matters about the ruling of the court, then the most prudent thing to do would have been to go to the Court of Appeals and raise clarificatory questions. So, ba't kailangan DOJ ang pasasagutin? And then, what was given was a mere opinion. Hindi naman batas yung magiging opinion ni Secretary de Lima. It is just an opinion. And her opinion should not affect the decision of the court. Diba? Yung kay Ombudsman, the way I see it was a statement belatedly given. Kasi nung lumabas yung TRO, ang nag-react lang yung DILG. And then parang miscript na academic, naging isang tono na lang, isa na lang naging tono ng pananalita nila. So, I'm hoping there's no collusion, but isang sinasabi. So, my theory here really is yung the impartiality of the Office of the Ombudsman. Nakakaduda na talaga. Where is the rule of law in this country? Wala nang batas eh. Kung ano na lang sasabihin ng ilan, hindi naman pwedeng yun ang mananaig dito. Para saan pa po na meron tayong 3 branches of government na dapat nag-check and balance. Kung ang mananaig lang, isang branch lang, hindi po yan ang tunay na diwa ng demokrasya.
Sir, yung DILG mag-i-issue daw ng assumption, or I think mag-i-issue na ng assumption for duty kay Vice Mayor Peña. So, yun yung sinasabi niya, yun yung basis niya kung bakit siya acting mayor.
Wait, again, si Secretary de Lima is part of the executive branch. Hindi siya korte na pwedeng magbigay ng mga desisyon at yun ang susundin dito sa atin. Secretary de Lima, Secretary Mar Rojas, si Ombudsman Carpio Morales, and all others, hindi po sila above the law. Sila po ay dapat sumunod sa kung ano ang pinaiiral po ng korte. Huwag po nilang isipin na sila po ay higit pa kaysa sa korte. Kailangan po ipaalala sa kanila na dapat galangin nila kung ano ang naging ruling ng Court of Appeals.